This video lists down all the requirements that you need to have in order to enable your Shopify integration in RepairDesk. Your Shopify store can now be connected to your RepairDesk account. This has a couple of prerequisites that you need to meet in order for the connection to be made. For starters, please ensure that before connecting, any matching products within both your Shopify and RepairDesk account have the same name and SKU. You'll also need to confirm that each product has a unique name and SKU. And you'll also need to check the fulfillment priority in your Shopify location settings. We'd also recommend that you check out our knowledge base to learn more about the setup process, watch our video on how to set up the integration, and make a backup of your product list before you begin the setup process. These are the prerequisites to connect your Shopify store with your RepairDesk account.